Bonnie's first time ever shooting 12 gauge shotgun. 2 3/4 inch shells, not that bad. All right, push that trigger right there. Pull down that. Okay, here, I'll trade you. I'll get a cock for you. Okay.
Okay.
There you go.
So is the safety still on?
Safety's still on. But it's left-handed. Not bad at all, huh? Pull it back, pump it. Pull it back, pump it. Not bad. That's not bad, is it?
I don't like it.
Huh?
It kicks bad.
No, it doesn't.
Uh-huh.
Okay, safety on.
Yeah.
Want to go for 4 more? Put them up your shoulder.
No. Not yet.
Now we need to get